What's happening, party people? I am moving slow today. I'm right now about 4 hours behind my normal schedule. So I'm about to upload this video, get to work on that V70R over there, fix that ABS sensor, fix something else on there, the ABS module, and replace a door on it. And then I'm going to fix Panther's rear suspension. I'm pulling the 850 rear end out of it, and I'm putting a C70 rear end in it. Rumor has it, actually it's not a rumor, the C70 rear end is about 2 inches wider, so that'll be good for racing. And we know we gotta always do stuff for Panther that's good for racing. Anyway, besides that, I have not heard from my guy in Baltimore area, so I'm making that a secondary stop. When I leave here, I'm gonna go to Roanoke, then I'm gonna go to Richmond, then I'm gonna go to Fredericksburg, and then I'm gonna hit the Baltimore area and move along from there. So next week, hopefully Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll be going through Lancaster, picking up that other 850 maybe, something like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and it's getting warm out today. I should have been doing this 4 hours ago. Oh, before the next video come on. Hopefully within the next couple of days, I will have a replacement website up and running on Robert DIY, so that items for sale will be listed, contact information be updated. It'll be easy for me to get changes made and so forth. So look for that coming. I'll announce it today that the domain links up. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. This car's been here for months. It still got fuel pressure on it. I disconnected that fuel line. Fuel squirted all the way past me. Good Lord. It's a good system right there. Followed the ABS sensor up behind the fuel filter. Comes up through this access panel, and it plugs into this yellow plug here. However, it shares the plug with the one on the right side. I don't know if that means they come in a pair or not. But I went on ahead and clipped that wire, and I'm going to try to get these connectors out of this deal here. Need a special connector removal, and I'm going to hook this up to the one on the car to get rid of my ABS code errors on that V70R, baby! Kicking off the Tinker Day, LKQ. Man, they have no Volvos older than a... let me take that back. They got a couple of old Volvos here. They got two 242 coupes. One's an 80, one's an 83. I'm going to check those out. Row 11, row 12. Then everything else is 2003 or newer. No P80s at all. Somebody's asking me for a part off of these XC90. They're looking for a yaw sensor. You put the seat all the way back. You pull up the power amp. That is right there. Take two screws out of that. Get the amp up and out of the way. So I'm going to have to go down to 2 stacks to see. I'm going to pull this amp up and unplug it. I got one more screw under there, so 3 screws hold the amp down. Then I'm pull the amp out, unplug it, see if this yaw sensor is under here with the same part number that they want. They have a message in their display and an error code that's stopping them from getting past their safety inspection in Maine. Man. Got the amp slid out, unplugged the power plug, then the yaw sensor was right there. It had one screw under the frame, the other screw was accessible. Unplugged it. Got it up here, it's a different part number than Rudy needs. So I'm gonna go check one more and get on out of here. Pulling another one of these sensors. The last vehicle, the bolts to get the amp out were 10 millimeters. These are 8. So I'm gonna pull those two, and that one back there. Yeah, this one's got the look like the same part number as the last one, and that part number does not match what he needs. So we're gonna call this a strikeout, and I'm gonna move on. Here we go, boy. Look at that Volvo 242. Man, those are kind of rare birds. Do. Uh-oh. It's got a standard in it. Let's see if that thing is still in it. The engine's still in it. Can't see if the transmission's still in it. I gotta get all the way on the ground. Dang. $242. It does not look like the transmission is still in it to me. Transmission be gone. Nope, look like the transmission's still there. Somebody beat it up a little bit, but it don't look like it's gone. It's still there. Supposed to be another one of them 242s down here. Maybe this next one's not as beat up as that one. Oh, they don't have any P80s here, so I gotta head down to 2 Stack Jacks, grab a couple of parts for a gentleman in North Carolina. He's getting a runaround with his 850. There's something making noise in the path of his serpentine belt, and they keep telling him it's the tensioner. I told him all these tensioners are noisy. It's got to be something in the other edge of that path. Something like the AC compressor or something. I don't see it too. Oh, there it is. Other 242 coupe. A DL. Man, these cars up here got some rust in them. That one's an automatic. Do. Like somebody got a couple things out of here. Man, if this thing had 123,000 miles, that's a shame somebody didn't drive this car more. Should be like 1 million and that many miles on it. So there you have it, folks. A couple of 242s down here in the LKQ salvage yard. Now I'm at 2 Stack Jacks. I think one of my buddies needs that fog light. And I can't do anything until they come move a couple of cars. So I made a phone call to them. They're supposed to be on their way down here to move some cars. Some guy borrowed my 15 millimeter ratcheting box, and I hope he brings it to me like he promises, because I really don't like loaning out tools at the junkyard. So I'm gonna see if I can get this wheel hub off of here and get electrical connector out of there. In the meantime, this rear end out of this C90 really doesn't look that bad, rust wise or bushing wise. I think I'm gonna take this, put it in Panther. It's supposed to be a little wider. So I'm gonna knock the calipers off, the rotors off. I'm gonna leave the hubs on it and take the brake lines off on the other side, take the sway bar off of it and pull it out of here. Hopefully it won't take me too long. And then I'm going to take the serpentine belt tensioner off of this one. This guy in North Carolina needs that. I don't know if this is going to be his 3rd or 4th one, but they keep chasing the noise. They keep saying it's these tensioners. Those tensioners, man, they're all noisy, but none of them are bad. So I've never replaced one that was bad enough to replace. Anyway, let me see if I get this hood open, get that See if I can get that fog light out of there for Larry, and then get this rear end out of here. Hopefully these mosquitoes won't eat me up. They don't seem to be too bad right now. However, one mosquito bite is too many. I see 3 or 4 of them coming after me now. My nice warm body perspiring that mosquito blood. So a brilliant person took the hood latch from that side, took the crossover cable, and just left it like that. No way to get this hood open. So let me try a couple of things, get this open, and be done with that. Pulled the headlight apart, stuck my hand in there, found the release, got that released. So I got that out. Now I can get this other stuff out of here I want, and go from there. Man, oh man, that was a mess. So it's best to throw these latches so nobody can close them, and people won't be locked out of the hood. So I'm gonna try to throw that latch. One of the Volvo guys showed up, helped me get this rear end off of here. He pried while I lifted and pulled, and bam, got it out. So I'm gonna try to take this caliper loose. I got my flare wrench now, and the other one with the rotor, because I'm not trying to buy those. And then I'm gonna carry this down there. The bolt on the bottom of that's bent, so I'm gonna end up buying this spring, even though I don't want or need it. But I think I got the ABS sensors, which is good because mine is giving me an error code. So let me get these calipers off here and get out of here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.